With the advancement of wearable device and XR, hand gesture and spatial computing have become important. VibAware addressed the issue of neglecting the contextual aspect of microgestures, supporting robust cross-interaction spaces. VibAware can recognize the context state of the hand mainly through the active signal and microgesture mainly with passive signal. Its frequency response shows a distinctive pattern that is distinguishable from one another. We mainly utilize the frequency response applied the multiple bandpass filter, which changes according to the context state of the hand from active signal. We also use the passive signal, gathering a much rich sensing signal. By analyzing given data, we can recognize the context associated with performed microgestures. VibAware supports the 3 interaction spaces by hand state and is divided into 7 types. In within hand, 2 gestures are supported. In surface, 2 types with 4 gestures, and in hand graphs, 4 types with 4 gestures are supported. The system has 3 stages. When it's bound to a context, it's possible to interact by tap and swipe in bound context. We focus on investigating binding and interaction. First, we use the LMS value of data string to detect the availability of gestures. If both values exceed the threshold, they are fed into the feature extraction. We apply the multiple bandpass filters and extract the features from each filtered data. Depending on whether it's bound or not, these are fed into different classifiers. If it is not yet binding, it goes to the classifier for interaction spaces. Otherwise, the second level classifier recognizes the gesture and type. If the system can understand different contexts quickly, it will support adaptive scenarios. We introduce examples. The first is surrounding cross-spatial interactions. VibAware can be used as a copy and paste function between AR glasses and other digital devices. Also, it can be used when communicating with someone. Second, quick finger interaction for occupied hand. Grasp recognition can infer the current state of the user and provide adaptive control. Our work will extend the interactive possibilities by enabling seamless microgesture in diverse contexts, thus enhancing the user experience.